Hello guys, you're welcome back to Valmich Fit. So this is a continuation video of how to make a two-sided Godet dress. In case you missed out on the first video, on the part one of this video, please click on the link below to enable you understand how we came down to these pieces. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on the video, and please click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So we're going to make use of these two pieces, the front cutout piece and the back cutout piece. I'll put these two patterns together by aligning them at the side seam area, creating one whole piece. To hold this together, I'll make use of my paper tape. And then indicate the side seam line with an arrow. We will assume this part of the pattern has been slashed open. So I'll create slash lines on the front and on the back piece. And I'm going to use 2 inches spacing to create these lines. If you don't want yours to be that wide, then you can reduce the spacing of the slash lines. Just as I did at the front, I'll do the same thing at the back, starting from the zipper line. Now I'll rule out these points straight to the waist area with my ruler. So I'll use my pencil to create these lines just in case I want to change anything. I will go ahead and slash these lines and spread open on another paper, and then I'll cut out to shape. So this is how it looks like after cutting to shape. Now we have created a new waistline, and if you look at this piece very well, it's like half of a cycle. So I have ruled out a straight line indicating my side seam, and this line is going to be a guide for me in cutting out all the pieces in creating this flare. So I'll take my tape starting from that line at the waist area and measure 10 inches down to the front. So from that 10 inches, I'll measure 6 inches down and take another 6 inches down, leaving 2 inches at the lower part, which is fine. So at the side seam area, I'll take 3 inches downwards and then measure 5 inches and another 5 inches. Also going downwards another 5 inches. On this side seam, we're going to have 5 cutout pieces. So moving to the back, that's the zipper area, we're going to cut out 5 pieces just like we did on the side seam. So measuring from the waist downward, we'll take 4 inches and we'll take same measurement all through, leaving 2 inches at the lower part. So please go ahead and do the same thing for yours. The next thing I'm going to do now is connecting these 3 dots together, starting from the front to the back. And in connecting this, I would use curved lines to put them together, thereby creating each pieces that we'll be using for the flare. Please try as much as possible to create a very nice curve so it will come out nice when you cut them out. I'll label my first piece number 1, and for the second piece I'll label that number 2. To create the last piece for the center front, just go in by about 11 inches, make that point there, and then make a curve from that point through to the center line and down to the back line. So these are my cutout pieces, and I cut them in twos, one for the left and one for the right. And I also went ahead to include my seam allowance for joining at the top area and also at the down area, and I did same at the front, but I did not include any seam allowance at the zipper area because I already had my zipper allowance there before slashing and spreading out these pieces, so there was no need of including any other one there. Please go ahead and notch the center line because it will guide you when fixing all the pieces together. Now we have come to the end of drafting out this very beautiful dress pattern. Please join me on the sewing video to see how I brought this dress to life. If you find this video interesting, please give the video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so it will notify you whenever I post a new video. And please share to your friends so they can learn as well. Now here is the finished look of this dress. Do not forget to join me in my sewing video, and I'll see you there. Bye.